In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror flip camera on Google Meet. You might ask, why would I need to flip my camera? Well, imagine you're presenting something to your colleagues with text on it, but the words appear backward and unreadable. That's exactly why you need this. So to fix this, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Mirror Mode for Google Meet. Once it's found, click on it. Click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Click Add Extension. Wait for the installation process to complete. Click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Now, go to Google Meet. Click on the extension. Click on the toggle button to activate mirror mode. Now your camera view is flipped and everyone can clearly read any text you show.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.